Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Outgrow with MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go on Integrations option. Now scroll down and click here. Now go on to the Zapier. Then click on Try It option. Then click here. Now click on the Add button. Then search for WooCommerce. Next, click on WooCommerce. After that, return to the MailerLite setup. Now complete the trigger event option. Sign into your MailerLite account. Then complete the test step. Next, go to WooCommerce. After that, complete the action event option. Now sign in with your WooCommerce account. Enter your WordPress site URL here. Then enter your WordPress username. Next, enter your password. Click on Continue. Now complete the test option. Then click on the Publish option, and you're done. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.